No, we're certainly trying to remain here as long as we can. We're obviously enjoying ourselves, and yeah, you do miss stuff about home, to be honest. But you know, we're not in a rush to get there too soon, and you know, we just want to prolong our stay in this tournament as long as we can.
All we know is that we're playing Northern Ireland tomorrow. So, like I said, whatever's happening on the political side of the fence, you know, that can wait. It's all about the football for us, and that's all about Northern Ireland tomorrow. I think they're a good, solid team. If you look at the results in the last 15 games, I think they've only lost 2. So, you know, that tells you everything about them. If you actually look at stats, when you're a stat man, you know, stats can tell you a lot of lies about games. You look at the stats and see, oh, they only get 25 or 30% possession of the ball. But then if you look over the last 15 games, they've only lost 2 games. So actually, possession doesn't win you a game. It depends on what you do with it.